Welcome. In this video, we are going to explore the Hugging Face ecosystem. If you are getting into generative AI, this is one of the most critical platforms you need to understand. It acts as the central nervous system for modern artificial intelligence tools and models. So, what exactly is Hugging Face? The easiest way to think about it is as the GitHub of machine learning. It is an immense, collaborative platform where the open-source community comes together to host, share, and discover artificial intelligence assets. It bridges the gap between research and practical application. At the core of the ecosystem is the Model Hub. This is a repository hosting hundreds of thousands of pre-trained models. Each model comes with a model card, which is documentation explaining what the model does, its limitations, and how to use it. It also features built-in version control, ensuring you always know which version of a model you are working with. Models cannot exist without data. Hugging Face hosts a massive library of datasets that are ready to use. Whether you need text for natural language processing, images for computer vision, or audio files, you can find standardized datasets here. This eliminates the headache of formatting and cleaning data from scratch. Once you have a model, you might want to show it off. That is where Spaces comes in. It allows you to host machine learning demo applications directly on the web. You can build these easy-to-use interfaces using Python libraries like Streamlit or Gradio, making it simple to share your work with the world via a single link. To interact with these models programmatically, we use the Transformers library. It is the industry standard for downloading and running state-of-the-art models. With just a few lines of Python code, you can perform complex tasks like sentiment analysis, translation, or text generation, regardless of whether you use PyTorch or TensorFlow. The ecosystem goes beyond just text. The Diffusers library is the go-to tool for generating images and audio using diffusion models. There are also libraries like Accelerate, which helps optimize training across different hardware, and PEFT, or PEFT, which allows for fine-tuning massive models on standard consumer hardware. What truly makes this platform special is the community. Users can discuss issues, suggest changes, and even merge improvements directly into model repositories. You can track trending models to see what the industry is focusing on and check leaderboards to see which models are performing the best. Finally, if you want to use these models in production, but do not want to manage the heavy infrastructure, there is the Inference API. This allows you to run models on Hugging Face's servers via simple web requests. It is a secure and scalable way to integrate powerful AI into your applications without owning expensive GPUs. To summarize, Hugging Face is the central hub that democratizes access to artificial intelligence. By providing a place to share open-source models, standardized datasets, and powerful tools, it empowers everyone from students to large enterprises to build the next generation of intelligent applications.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.